1일에 새벽부터
사람이 죽었다는 거. 인삼 키우는 조씨 있지?
예.
그 집 마누라가 죽었대요?
사람이 죽었대요. 인상 길 조씨 마누라가 죽었다는디.
또 아침은 먹고 가야 돼.
얼른 가봐야 되는데.
나가 뭐 죽어본 것이 살아본 것도 아닌지.
Man, moms are the same in every culture, every language.
무슨 씨발 놈이 사람을 죽여볼게요. 염분 개 같은 새끼.
누가 죽었디야? 누가 죽었는디?
They're so nonplussed by, well, not nonplussed, but just like, oh, someone died? Oh.
아이고 저기다. 야 우비스 좀 꺼내봐. 뭐 한다고 이제 사와. 사람이 둘이나 죽었는데.
Oh, okay, so 2 people died.
Is this going to be like a murder mystery, but the mystery is that it's a ghost or some spirit? I mean, it might not be actually, it could just be a guy, but everyone thinks it's a ghost.
Oh, God. That guy on the porch still alive?
Yo! Wow. Wait, is he dead?
Man, look at the blood. Oh, that's him. Oh, he wants to kill him.
저거 조씨요? 남편?
야
Oh.
그런 거 같아요.
Okay. It's a husband and wife. And you have that weird person outside. Oh no. Uh-oh.
나는
친척집이다 됐다 놨어라.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's traumatizing.
뭔 난리야 지금? 조사님, 저 집에 줬어.
Oh my God, I love him. I didn't know he was in this.
저 썩을 놈 새끼 저거. 아 내비 지금 나올 것은 꼭 안내를 혀라 말. 저거 아니야?
God, that was a very bloody murder.
Okay, so now they're going to... Are they going to that guy's house to investigate then?
정사! 뭐랄게? 저 경사님! 이리 좀 와보쇼!
이 새끼가 도대체 뭐던 놈이 새끼 이거?
That looks like a nest.
Like a literal nest?
You saw that shot?
Very correct.
That's a tied up.
Oh, this is that.
Oh, that's a deer. Okay.
Okay.
Oh! I was gonna be like, man, that happens to me. I'm a klutz. But that was brutal.
Okay, what the fuck? Awesome. Get up.
I'd be like, how come he noticed me when I looked over?
Is that guy butt ass naked? No, he's got a loincloth. Is he just eating that shit raw, bro? The fuck? Is that a person or an animal?
I don't like those noises.
Yeah. Oh, I don't like the sounds of that. Does he have red eyes?
Oh my God, look at his eyes.
Oh, he's gonna be like beside him.
Oh, I don't like this. Where is he? Oh, look at his eyes. Yeah, I thought his eyes were glowing. I wasn't sure. Yeah, it's like cat eyes, kind of.
Oh, this is creepy as fuck. Oh, get away from me!
What? His eyes are glowing red. He is Gollum.
Oh, is that just a myth or something of someone who lives in the forest like that?
방앗간 하나씩 급사했지라. 엊그제 흥국이 그랬지라.
근데
일본 양반이 오거나 새끼 일들하뇨.
이 새끼가 겁니 무식해갖고 하는 소리 봐다. 아이, 버섯을 잘못 쳐먹어갖고 근닥하더라. 먹으면 헷가닥 도는 버섯 있지? 그것이 혈액 성분서 엄청 나왔디야.
형은 어릴 때 요상한 무슨 안 먹어봤는가?
안 먹어봤어, 이 새끼.
그거 처먹었다고 사람이 그리 되진 않으라. 야꼬라지 봤잖소.
I mean, he could have had mushrooms, but it was definitely something else. Yeah, this shit, I'm going home.
Is he fucking with him? Oh shit.
Oh! Oh no, he's not taking a piss out of him!
Oh no, there is someone out there. Oh, I thought he was joking.
Oh shit! It's kind of funny, they're both cops. They creep themselves out with horror stories and now there's like a naked lady outside somewhere.
좀 말하고 처음 본 것도 아니야.
어?
He's like, how do I go about this?
It's too late.
자네, 먹어.
Bobo.
Yeah, he wasn't watching the whole time then if you trust him to sip out that straw.
What? Oh. Zombie lady over there. She's like a mix between distressed / zombie.
Oh, they thought this was a dead body or something.
Oh shit, guys, come on!
These are zombies. That's gonna help your nightmare.
I don't think we're gonna have much hope in this team.
The fisherman.
Yeah, what is happening?
어쩌겠냐? 네 간땡이가 지존만한 데다 성격이 가시네 같아가지고 그래. 네 간땡이가 지존만한 데다 성격이 가시네 같아가지고 그래.
엄마가 갖다 주랴. 빤스랑 난닝구요.
What'd he do? Piss himself or shit his pants? You could say thanks.
먹고 잘한다 잘여.
알았어. 성가시게 하지 말고 이제 아빠 지금 일하는 거 안 보여.
Damn.
나 간다. 응? 안녕히 계셔라.
예. 가라잉.
아이고.
Why'd they feel the need to add a fart?
Oh, she dropped her, whatever those are called.
beret.
Her beret.
이제 그 마누라 내가 어디서 봤는가 생각해봤는지 어저께 요 앞에서 깨알딱 봐서 그 여자였다.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I thought I saw someone hanging there. I wasn't sure. Yeah, so there's just stuff happening all over town. Yeah, if she was like possessed doing this and then came round and realised what happened, maybe she committed suicide.
So they were all stabbed and then burned? Someone set the house on fire after stabbing them?
찾았어요. 그냥 손으로 잡아보면 어쩌냐 이 새끼야.
Why are you not wearing gloves? Exactly. What the fuck?
뒤지기 바쁜디? 그 일 때문에 불렀지. 늦었대. 내가 한 얘기 기억하냐? 뭐? 그 일본 놈이 여자한테 거시겠다는 얘기. 응. 왜?
What the hell?
그 여자가 그 여자리야. 그걸 뭔 소리야, 엄마? 아이 그 일본 놈한테 당한 여자가 그 불난 집.
What the heck?
그 일본 놈한테 당한 여자가 그 불난 집 그 여자라고.
Oh, that's a connection right there.
마누라가 목한 새도 몇 번 봤는데 몸뚱아리 그냥 막 두드러기가 뻘개갖고 헛소리를 막 뭐라 시부렁댔산디. 한만 생각해봐도 네 말이 맞는 것 같아. 그 버섯은 그것은 말도 안 되는 얘기야.
참나 환장하겠네.
이리 가.
냅둬요. 아침부터 저리 써.
두드레기 그 두드레기랑 뭔 연관이 있다는 게 분명히. 에?
Rash and boils, violent outbursts.
Yo, look how many pebbles. And not one
Build a
hit.
nest around him. Ooh, got him.
Oh, she got closer.
아이, 그건 참 더럽게 신경 쓰이네 진짜. 아, 집이 어디야? 이 동네 살아?
그거 뭔 소리야?
할매가 그대로 냅두면 아줌니가 죽는 데 갖고 구슬한 거예요.
Oh shit. Okay. Tell us more.
아, 거기 들어가면 안 되는데?
괜찮아.
You're the cop. You need to go in.
네, 그 외놈이 귀신이랴. 그놈이 아줌니 피를 말려 죽일란겠대요.
I don't even know what's true.
넌 본 적 있어? 몇 번 봤는데?
두 번.
내가 그러는데 그놈이 자꾸 눈에 뵈는 것은 그놈이 자꾸 찾아갖고 뵈는 것이랴.
Dude's gonna need another change of clothes at this rate.
I don't know. I wasn't getting weird vibes from him, but maybe I don't know. I feel like
당장 뛰어와.
should be gone.
어딨어?
Oh no. Oh no. Be careful, dude. Be careful.
Oh, that guy's there. Is that the Japanese guy? I don't think it is.
I just realized just now that that's the Japanese man.
The fisherman?
Yeah, the fisherman.
Oh, he's chasing him. Run! Oh, dude.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh shit.
I was gonna say, is he dreaming again?
자꾸 요상한 꿈을 꾸네. 누가 아파?
효진이가 좀 안 좋네. 학교도 못 가불고.
아이고, 아니 불통이구만. 집구석이 뭐하다고 자빠졌냐? 아가 이 지경인데.
아, 근데 약 사왔잖아.
아이고, 그냥 얼른 병원 안 데리고 가. 야, 이게 무엇이다냐?
Sounded like a cat fight.
Girl, what the fuck was that? Maybe we're cursed.
Look, it's him as well. All the dads from K-dramas in this. I love how this second guy, he was the one that originally started saying stuff, and now he's laughing at it all.
They found it though.
Yeah. Look for the tree with the ribbons.
And a pile of stones blocking the road.
쳐다봐야 돼요?
한참 가야 돼요.
Surprised the guy's willing to go.
I guess since there's backup.
저거 보라께? 저 고라니 아니야?
There's two.
아 그게 내가 계속 그 진짜라고 했냐 아니냐? 진짜 대체 무엇이 돼요? 아 팁을 할 때 줘야 돼. 저 깔끔한만 넣으면 지겨. 딱 가지뿐이게 나 어서 줄 것이다. 나 가다니? 아유 진짜. 여기까지 왔는데 끝장을 마무리해주라. 나 가야 될게. 아이고 참말로 무엇을 갈라펴 자꾸. 오라고. 너희들 두고 봐. 뭐가지 싹다 잘라볼라. 진짜 죄송해요. 족발. 넌 배랑 맞아 뒤질러 될 새끼들이.
What? No way. What?
Oh! No way that just happened.
어디 가요?
Look at that guy. What is happening?
He got hit like multiple times.
Yeah.
How is he still standing? Wow.
무슨 비하합니다. 뭐다 잡아쳐먹으면 뭐디요. 벼락 맞으면 뒤져볼 것을.
That's really just the universe saying, it's your fucking time, man.
저 300이 완전 바꾸기. 얼른 바꾸기.
Someone else possessed, maybe? He's a policeman, he's got to step in.
Oh my god! Oh, yes.
Oh, it's that guy who was possessed earlier.
That was kind of hard to watch and look away.
Jesus Christ.
She has a nightmare?
She's very sick.
Oh no, that is bad. Please. She's a great actress. Amazing actress.
Amazing actor for her age.
Good acting. Very good acting.
영상이야?
안녕 아버지.
She's like eating and just like the man in the woods.
Uh-huh. She's gonna be the next one?
아니 자아가 생전 먹도 않던 그 생선을 다 먹어보고.
잠만은 비상형. 용원 무당 있으면 좀 알아보더라 그랬어. 한번 만나볼란게. 그렇게 알고 있으라고.
Okay, I like her. She's down to business. He's like, listen, something's wrong. Let's get it taken care of.
Oh. Jesus. What?
Just straight up went into his place. Oh shit.
우리 이거 불법이야. 알아. 근데 왜 근데? 하지 마라. 응? 아 하기 싫으면 나가 있어. 삼촌. 아따 나가 있으란 게.
What we got here?
Oh, what? That's like some freaking devil worship stuff.
Oh my god.
What was that?
Like the skin torn from the body.
Oh no. There's pictures of
The crime scenes.
yeah, the crime scenes, but also pictures of the person before they turned. Look, picture before,
Oh,
during,
yeah.
and after.
Is it gonna be him?
Oh no, what are they gonna do?
They're gonna hurt the doggo.
I just shut the door. Okay, good. Oh, you.
Oh, he is a very angry doggo. I mean,
He's trained.
his owner is something crazy, so.
Yeah. What is? Oh, he's whining. Oh.
Because, like, I could say that this room is just him, like, studying the stuff, but that other room.
It's a little.
Yeah.
니네 괜찮냐?
Oh, they left without him?
니 어찌그냐 아까부터? 니 걔한테 물렸냐? 예?
Shouldn't you, like, arrest him?
Right? Tell them what you
무엇을 봤냐고.
saw. Is that his daughter's shoe?
Oh no. Oh, that's. Oh no. Oh my god. Yeah, she's going crazy.
He took it.
And it's his daughter. It's his daughter's shoe.
Oh my god.
I wondered if that was his daughter's shoe, but he's really taken a long time getting to the point. I know it's to build more tension, but oh my god, I really hate when they draw out the tension like that.
혹시 신라가 잃어버렸냐?
아니? 뭔 소리요?
그럼 이건 뭐야?
내 거 아닌데?
이거 네 글씨 아니야? 네 그 사람 만난 적 있지?
나가 왜 말해야 되는데?
중요한 문제께.
You just gotta be honest with her and say he's dangerous.
무엇이 중요냐고.
What, nigga?
무엇이
Look
중요냐고.
in your. Ooh.
무엇이? 그게 중요냐고! 지랄이요, 지랄. 그게 중요냐고!
Yo.
지랄이요, 지랄.
Yo.
그게 중요냐고!
Oh my god.
Fuck? Oh, that said fuck. Oh my god. Oh shit.
That looked like the devil.
Yeah, definitely satanic. There was a picture of the woman hung. Kill her. Kill her.
God, she's still there.
Oh no.
Oh fuck. I knew she was gonna have the boils on her.
오밤중에 딸내미 치마 걷어 올리고 뭐 드냐고. 왜 말을 안 해요?
She is really not her. Like, what the f.
말을 하라고 이씨마.
Oh. There it is.
중에 딸내미 치마 걷어 올리고 뭐 드냐고. 말을 하라고 이 아이씨.
Oh my god. She need to go to the hospital. Take this girl to the hospital.
You
which turn. The last 15 minutes are different.
Yeah, it's some kind of rash. It's clearly making people aggressive. I feel like it has nothing to do with the Japanese guy.
왜 내 전화를 안 받냐? 전화할 때 언제 나와라. 갈 때 있은 게.
I never understood why people eat chicken feet, bro. It doesn't look like there's one bit of meat that's any good on those.
Of course, yeah, he's removed all the evidence. They just gave him way too much time to do that.
ここにあったものどこ何のことだ
Yeah, you can just feign ignorance.
手をぶらったんでどこですか台所
I mean, I want to ask him, like, what is he doing? What's his purpose?
그집과 쳐 넣기 전에 똑바로 말하라게.
正直に言ってください
言っても信じないだろ.
No, I think we're at the point of we will believe you.
여행을 왔다는 새끼가 집구석에 죽은 사람 사진을 붙여놔요? 예? 이것이 왜 너희 집에 있냐? 어?
なぜこれが
너 뭐요? 너 뭐더러 새끼야?
あなた誰
He is a
말을 했으면 대답을 하던가.
pretty intimidating old man.
返事してください
에? 말같이 말 어떻게?
Bro.
말을 해도 들어먹지 않는지. 에? 안 들어가냐고.
Still there.
에? 아니 뭐요? 씨발 이게 다.
Ooh. Why is he ruining the other evidence? He's like, nope. No. Stop it right now.
And now he's killed his dog. Yeah, he's just like making his case worse and worse, isn't he?
어때요?
정확하게 사흘 줄 거야. 사흘. 사흘 안에 짐 챙겨서 떠나. 안 떠나면 저 개새끼 꼴 날 텐게.
It's a goat. Oh shit, don't mess with goats, man. I thought it was the dog.
효진이 어딨어? 효진이 어딨냐고.
아가 집에 있지 어딨어? 아 옆집 할매한테 저거 받으라겠어.
아이 하루를 두고 욕을 다 하면.
I feel him though, nigga. Shit that's going on right now. We don't got time for this.
Oh my god!
Oh fuck. No.
She looked terrified. She don't even know what she did.
That is what I thought was gonna happen.
Oh my god!
나도 곧 댕겨오고 나갖고 몸이 막 에려불더만 갑자기 열이 나고 헛것이 보입니다.
Yeah, I
They're
think
both going through it.
Yeah, we saw it and now we're fucking infected.
바깥에 문 좀 닫아라.
What the hell's under there? Oh, it's just cables. I thought she'd like made something.
He's looking for something magical, yani a witch.
He's a shaman. Spiritual guy, I think.
Yeah.
저 다라이 밑에 저거.
그냥 장당 가는.
이리 갖고 와봐.
Does he need soy sauce? Or it could be something else.
이게. 아따 씨발.
Oh.
겁나 징상스러운 놈이구만.
It's just like so colorful and happy sounding compared to like what's going on.
Yeah.
Just like whacking her. This girl's probably doing a little bit of method acting.
I mean, she's obviously reacting badly to it. Is that the spirit actually leaving?
So it's like a real sickness as well. Damn, that little girl, whoever that actress is, she's killing it. She looks terrifying.
They did this exact fucking ritual in Exhuma, but this came out way before, so.
누굴 찾아가 건드린 적 없냐고. 나가 이제까지 본 악질 중에서
You kind of killed his dog.
그 양반 사람 아니요? 그 양반 귀신이요?
So they were right.
양반 귀신이요?
That's what the other people said.
Yeah.
And that lady.
What the fuck?
아니 박춘배라고 농사짓는 이 집 주인이잖아. 지 마누라까지 죽인겨? 그런 거 가서 이 개새끼 이거 이름 뭐라고?
Yep, his photo was there.
박춘배요. 박춘배.
원래는 사람이었겠지. 근데 지금은 아니야.
귀신이 들러붙어가고 그런 거인가 그것이.
뭐 처음엔 그랬겠지. 곡성 땅에 씨를 말릴 허주요.
허주가 뭐야?
아, 헛귀신이라고. 헛귀신 중에서도 아주 악질의 사령이요, 사령. 자네 낚시할 적에 뭐 어떤 게 걸려 나올지 알고 한가?
아니요.
그놈은 낚시를 하는 거요. 뭐가 딸려 나올지는 몰랐겠지 지도.
Oh, so he out there just casting fucking spells, like, and hoping.
And that's crazy that they showed him as a fisherman the first time we saw him.
Oh, okay, I like that. Okay.
Yeah, we're finally getting to see him, a few things from his perspective, maybe.
That's what I do in the shower.
They're kind of like wearing the same thing.
So they're like doing spiritual battle.
Yeah, right. Spirit battle. Bow, 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 bow.
Wow.
I think you should listen to the little girl.
No, don't be tempted.
This is so overwhelming.
Oh, I think we got him.
Is he going to stop the ritual from happening at the last second and screw it up for the rest of them, you know?
Yep. Damn, you had him. Now the thing is, I don't know. It probably would have killed his daughter though.
Yeah, it was that girl that was tossing rocks at the guy earlier, so maybe she's really the bad one.
What are the good doctors going to do though? Nothing. Fucking idiots.
I don't think it was. I feel like she was being weird before that though.
신부님한테 말씀드려볼게요. 그 말을 무당한테 들었다고 하셨는데 그 사람들 시각으로 보자면 귀신은 죽은 사람의 영혼 아니요. 그 사람은 살았잖소.
Exactly. Do you think differently?
또 보도 않고 어떻게 확신을 하십니까? 병원에 돌아가셔갖고 의사를 믿고.
No, this is otherworldly.
그 새끼가 귀신인지 아닌지 내 눈깔을 직접 봐야 쓰겠다. 그 새끼가 귀신이면 내 손에 안 죽을 거 아니야.
Oh, we'll try to kill him.
아, 나 아침부터 뭔 일이냐? 천영이는 대아지가 새끼난다고 못 온디야. 너 얼굴이 왜 그냐? 이 시방 장난치는 거 아니지?
Okay.
Why did... Those are two random things to take in there.
Just bait.
Yeah, they're just going on a witch hunt and it might not even be for the right person.
Yeah.
Or maybe he was going to
like
get
trying
that
to exercise the guy.
Goodbye, yeah.
Make sure he stays dead.
Or maybe not. Maybe he was trying to stop that because he looks terrified.
음냐? 아이 너 못 오고 섰냐? 쫓아 봐봐.
Maybe he's not what we think he is.
That's what I'm saying, bro. He's the good guy, nigga. Like, he tried to protect the village, nigga. The shaman came in trying to finish the deal, like.
Uh-oh. This is going to be the zombified man. Right. You literally went... No, the priest! Oh God!
Oh, close your mouth! He's still alive.
I don't know.
하나 더 있다.
It's him.
This movie's amazing.
야야야야. 아이 새끼야. 이리 내놔. 야 이 새끼야. 조구야. 우리 효진이잖아. 일로 가. 내려가. 우리
Jesus Christ, why is he crying like that? Get it together, brother. You're not saving anyone. So is he possessed by a ghost? Is that what's happening? That fucking chick.
It must be her.
What's she holding? She's the one who knew like what happened exactly. That's why we were like, okay, she's a ghost.
Yeah.
But like, what if she's like blaming him for some reason? You know,
because he's the only one who can do something about her.
Yeah. Because he's chasing her right now.
Come on.
Hey, keep your eye on the road.
Especially in the rain.
Text.
Jesus, oh my God. Oh. Jesus, this movie, just when I think I'm comfortable.
Oh!
Oh, it was him. Now he thinks that the problem's over, but because he didn't die, that proves that he wasn't the ghost.
It is him. I knew it. I thought the woman... He was chasing that woman, wasn't it?
Oh, no.
Oh my god. That's scary, man.
Oh, see? She pushed him.
Yeah.
이 버럭지 같은 놈이 미끼를 생켜버렸구나.
Woo. She is better.
괜찮아, 아가. 어? 괜찮아.
It's not over, man. Got a lot more tears to come. Oh, look at this. Pick it up. This nigga is... How can you be this dumb, bro? It doesn't make sense to me.
모지르 같은 새끼.
Exactly.
What was that, the deacon? Yeah, we haven't seen this guy in a while.
삼촌이 약을 드셔본 거 같소. 저것 때문에 온 동네가 난리네. 시방 모시고 가야 함께 변호사도 선임하고.
무시오 이거 씨발.
Oh dear. Oh dear, that's a really... Oh my god, I can't watch this.
That's not good. Oh, shit.
Oh, it's really flowing now.
Ghosted. Oh, friend.
I knew it. She's the evil spirit. Holy crap.
How are they doing that?
Oh my God. Oh. Oh. You're not safe. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Evil's there.
Oh, he's just getting out of there completely. Oh, she can like control animals a bit, yeah.
Oh, he's not gonna be able to see. Oh no, it's all in his head.
자네 어딘가?
도사님 어디요?
자네 집으로 가라고. 아니요. 엄한 놈한테 살을 날려버렸네. 자네 집 앞에 뭔 여자를 봤는디. 나가 대실수를 해. 그 일본 놈이 아니라 그 여자가 귀신이요.
So was he trying to help actually?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's exactly what I thought it was.
그녀한테 잡아 죽을 사람들을 살리라는 것이고.
I said it!
그 일본 놈이 아니라 그 여자가 귀신이요.
I knew it.
Called it. 놈은 그녀를 잡아 죽이려는 것이요.
Yeah.
그녀한테 잡아 죽을 사람들을 살리려는 것이고.
I knew there was something else he was doing.
다 불었는가?
젊은 여자.
Oh, that's so fucking creepy. Oh.
어딨어?
Oh fuck.
Yeah.
은진아. 뭐야?
오밤중에 어디 가는 게?
This is
Yeah,
her.
ask her what she wants. Ask her what the fuck she wants, man. Just let me get my daughter and bounce.
걔는 귀신에 홀려갖고 그런 거예요. 할매가 그러는데 그 외놈이 귀신이랴.
Bitch, we know it's you.
그놈이
Stop
다
playing.
피를 말.
대답해 이 씨X나.
Yeah.
집에 없어.
집에 있어. 좀 전에 들어갔어.
Got back from doing what?
시방 가지 마. 시방 가면 다 죽어.
Whoa.
시방 가면 네 식구들 다 죽는다고.
Oh.
What is happening? Okay, so he found a mine.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, maybe this is where it originated?
그 귀신 본 적 있지? 그 목매달고 죽은 아줌니 집에서 봤자냐?
꿈이요.
꿈 아니야.
So there's another.
Shit.
내가 덫을 쳐놨으니까 잡힐 때까지 여기서 기다려. 그럼 돼요.
Oh my god.
She got blood on her face.
Yep. Oh no, maybe not.
Okay.
I've just realised something. In Exuma, the demon really liked fish.
귀신이 언제 오는데?
벌써 와 있어.
와 있다고?
人죽이고お前何者か
Who are you? Uh-oh. Oh, no.
No.
お前はどう思うんだ?
悪魔お前悪魔だ
Are you the devil?
Shaman's like, okay, I got it wrong again.
Wrong again. I just need to tell you one more thing.
What's going on?
Whatever she tells you, you must go to your daughter now.
He's the guy. He's the bad guy.
What?
Because he's trying to convince him to go to his daughter, so she kills everyone.
Because he's
including
possessed.
him.
He's possessed as well.
Go to your daughter. Just go.
그놈 말 믿지 마로.
Poor guy.
한패요. 그놈 말 믿지 마로. 놈도 한패요.
お前はもう私は悪魔だと確信した。私が何者か私の口でいくら言ったところでお前の考えは変わらない。今も私が悪魔だと思え。
그 귀신이 덫에 걸리면 저 집 닭이 3번 올 것이요. 그까지만 참어.
何もせずに帰るだと。誰がお前を何もせず行かせると。
Who said I'd let you leave?
죽일락 하고 결국엔 죽여버렸어.
내 딸이 먼저 아파하고 그러고 싶지.
He's like, that's a loophole. You can't punish me for that.
그것이 어떻게?
이제 한 번 남았어요. 그러지 말어.
She's touching us.
ここから出られるかどうかはお前の知るところではない。
Is he really the devil?
肉と骨がないが、お前が見る通り、私には肉も。
I don't know what to believe at this point.
Dude, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. No, 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 no.
What? It's her.
Taking bits from.
It is her!
It's her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, her eyes. Her eyes did a thing. That was trippy.
何をするやめろ
どうしてお前はおじまどるのだ
If you see the blood on the wall, it's Ove.
It's Ove. Damn.
Oh my god.
Yeah, she definitely killed him. I wonder if she's still alive. I need to know who the fuck is the one that's evil.
Oh no. Oh my god.
Oh no. She's like, all right, I'm coming. Don't worry. I got something for you too.
Oh. So he was the devil.
私の手や足を見なさい
Oh, he's taking pictures.
Oh!
どうして心に疑い
He is the devil.
まさに
Oh my god. Run! Just run. Damn. Yo. Wow, that's wild.
Nail screw. Oh, okay.
どうして心に疑いを持つのか
Guess he was demon for real.
No, 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 drop your weapon.
So it is actually him. She was actually trying to help.
Too late. You're starting to boil.
Damn. So, was she right about the shaman working together with Buddy?
I guess so.
It looked like little tiny skulls, and I think that's like on purpose. Well, it took him long enough to get back there.
He was in league with him.
God. Oh, this is fucking disturbing.
Yeah. Does he just like move around from place to place with the ghost?
I think so.
Wait, he's got the same camera. So he was in league with the devil? This movie is literally making me feel... so stupid.
The camera, you were right. Or they were right, yeah.
Yeah.
That's how they get the photos. What's he doing now? Oh, he has the photos.
What is happening?
So is he actually working with the Japanese guy as well? This is where the other side of the photos come from. So the lady spirit was just completely telling the truth.